Today we're going to take a look at the GT Arrowhead year 2000. I just finished giving the bike a makeover, and now we're going to take a look at it. Well, I'm going to start with unscrewing the cassette, and for that I needed this little part here. It goes right in the middle, and then you can unscrew the cassette. Yeah, and that's it. So this is what it looks like, the old one. It's got a screw. It's nothing like, you know, the other bikes I have. They're a little different. But yeah. Now we have removed the cassette, and now we can, you know, clean in the back of the cassette. Do it now. You won't regret it, because you cannot go there when you have mounted the single speed. Just use, you know, some sort of cloth, maybe the sock. You know, there's always a lonely sock in the drawer. Take that one. Don't throw it out. Use it for your bike. It's great. Now it looks great. Then you take this single speed. I've given it a little bit of grease, and just screw it on like that. Pretty easy. I don't have the tool to mount it, so I'm just going to use a hammer and a Dorn. Go like boop, 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 boop. I ain't got the tools to mount it, so I'm just going to use a hammer and a Dorn and go like banging it on. Banging it on. I ain't got the right tools to mount it, so I'm just going to go with a hammer and a Dorn, and it's going to be just fine. So looks very nice and simple. I think it's going to be great. Well, we got the single speed on, so now we can move on, and we're going to change the headset, and yeah, just going to unscrew it and replace it with the new one. I've chosen the black one. It's going to look cool. So unscrew the old one, on with the new one, and let's see how it looks. And now it's time to remove the headset. You're just going to unscrew it, and then you will find that this come off, and this come off. It's an old bike, not really that old, but still, it's a little bit crazy. And then you just unscrew it. It's not very difficult. And then I'm gonna mount a new headset, a black one. It's going to look very nice. Ta-da! Well, now I just need the cables. When you mount the cables, remember to give it a little grease for the inside. And when you have to cut the cables, you need a cable cutter like this. It's a good thing to have. But let's mount the cables and let's see the bike. Well, that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it. If you're still watching, please like and subscribe. That would make me very happy, and maybe inspire me to make more videos. So But for now,